Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove silence just by using Capcut on your mobile phone. So let's head over to the Capcut app, then select on New Project. Next is just choose the video that you want to edit out and click Add. Slide a little bit to the left until you can see the captions icon. Just click on the captions, then click on Auto Captions. In the spoken language, just choose English or whatever language there is in the video. Then you can also choose a template. Then just click on Generate. Just a reminder that this feature is a CapCut Pro feature. So if you're going to regularly use this, might as well subscribe to the CapCut Pro. But you always have that one free trial, so you can try the feature once. So as you can see, if we drag our timeline to the left, you can see some of the gaps in the captions. That means that that part doesn't have any dialogue on the video, so we can simply click on split on both sides, then delete the clip. That way the remaining clips only contains parts with dialogues. You can do the same process all over until you remove all the silent parts on your video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily remove silent parts of your videos on CapCut just by using your mobile phones. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!